the concept about a cosine formula. So first of all, how can I use the apply the cosine formula? Should be like this. Try to remember a SAS format, okay? So what does it mean is, that means is two side here. The format must be like this. Okay, the side here and second side, and the angle is the angle between two sides. And the formula will be like this. It should be the opposite side of the angle, which is c squared, is equal to a squared plus b squared, the 2s, minus 2ab, and then cosine. The angle between two sides is c. Okay, so we can arrange in another order. Is that means if the SAS will become this side, the blue one. Okay, so the opposite side will become a. So we can write in order is a squared equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc, and then cosine a this time. Or we can write down, if the SAS is another format, which is in yellow color, so it should be like this one. Okay, so the angle is angle B, and this time is A and C, the size. And you can write down like this, is the B square is equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC, and then times cosine angle B. Okay, this is the first usage of the cosine formula. And we have another format, is we can find an angle if the triangle, we know the triangle of the three sides of the triangle. For example, here A, B, C. If we know these three sides, we can find the three angles of the triangle. Because we just changed the subject from the first one, we can find is cosine C is equal to c squared minus a squared minus b squared over negative 2ab. And therefore cosine A is equal to a squared minus b squared minus c squared over negative 2bc. And cosine B is equal to this one. Okay, so this is the formula, and the proof of the formula will be like this. Okay, I try to demonstrate in it. So I try to draw a triangle here, and add one perpendicular line here. Okay, so I try to express, this one is A, this one is B and C, and the length of here is A, and this one is B and C. We call the height is H, perpendicular side, and let this one be X, and therefore it's A minus X. Okay, so right down here is D. So how to prove it in triangle ADC? We can have a Pythagoras theorem, which is b squared equal to x squared plus h squared. That means h squared is b squared minus x squared, right? This is the first equation. And in triangle, another way is ADB, which is c squared equal to a minus x squared plus h squared. And I try to substitute this one into here. Okay, so c squared equal to a minus x squared plus b squared minus x squared. And after you remove the bracket, and you will get this c squared. I write it on the right hand side here. So c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared, and the x squared is cancelled, minus 2bx. And what's the meaning of x is, as we know in triangle ADC, we can use apply cosine theta. That means cosine C is equal to the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. So x is equal to b cosine C. And finally, we substitute into this one, and you will get c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2. Sorry, this one is a. I make a mistake here. This one should be 2ax. This one is 2ax. And you will get is 2 AB cosine C. That's the formula of our first one. Okay, so this is a proof. So you need not to memorize this. You just remember this is a key concept is SAS format, and second one is a SSS format. Okay, so once you know SAS or SSS, then you can find every angles and the size of the triangle.